Ottoman Empire ruled the world. It is the Ottoman Empire which brought justice and rule in this part of the world. The Ottoman invasion of 1570 to 1571 was part of the Ottoman expansion in the Mediterranean region, which aimed to challenge the dominance of the Venetian Republic and the Holy League, a coalition of Christian states. The Ottomans had already conquered most of the coastal areas of the Levant, Egypt and North Africa, and sought to secure their naval supremacy by capturing the strategic island of Cyprus, which was under Venetian rule since 1489. The Ottoman invasion was led by Lala Mustafa Pasha, who landed in Cyprus in July 1570 with a large army of about 60,000 soldiers and 350 ships. The Venetians had a much smaller force of about 8,000 soldiers and 40 ships, and were unable to resist the Ottoman advance. The Ottomans besieged and captured the capital Nicosia in September 1570. The last Venetian stronghold, Famagusta, resisted for almost a year, but finally surrendered in August 1571, after a heroic defense by its commander. The Ottoman conquest of Cyprus marked the end of the Venetian presence in the eastern Mediterranean, and the beginning of more than 3 centuries of Ottoman rule on the island. The Ottomans introduced a new administrative system, based on the millet system, which divided the population into religious communities, each with its own leader, laws and taxes. The majority of the population, which was Greek Orthodox, became the Rum millet, while the Muslim minority, which consisted of Turkish settlers, converts and slaves, became the Muslim millet. The Ottomans also allowed the presence of other minorities, such as Jews, Armenians and Maronites, who had their own millets. The Ottoman rule brought some benefits to the island, such as religious tolerance, trade opportunities and cultural diversity. However, it also brought some drawbacks, such as heavy taxation, corruption, oppression and neglect. The island suffered from frequent raids by pirates, plagues, famines and rebellions. The most notable uprising was the Cypriot Revolt of 1764 to 1766, which was led by the Archbishop of Cyprus, Kyprianos, and was supported by the Greek and Armenian millets. The revolt was crushed by the Ottomans, who executed Kyprianos and many other leaders, and imposed harsher measures on the island. The Ottoman rule of Cyprus ended in 1878, when the island was transferred to the British Empire, as part of a secret agreement between the Ottomans and the British. In exchange for British support against the Russian threat, the British administration brought some reforms and modernization to the island, but also faced resistance and demands for self-determination by the Cypriot people, especially the Greek Cypriots, who wanted to unite with Greece and Knossos. In the next episode we will bring more historical context of Ottoman wars. Thank you for watching.